Hey, my name's Jamie from PE Buddy. Today I'm going to show you how as teachers we can embrace AI technology such as ChatGPT to save time and create better resources. So how long will it take you to create a lesson plan on the anatomy of the heart? Let's see how long it takes ChatGPT. We'll put in our prompt, we press enter, and away we go. We have our learning intention. It's given us success criteria. It's given us a preview of the assessment at the end of the lesson. We have a 5-minute introduction, 15 minutes on the basic anatomy of the heart, 20 minutes on the blood flow of the heart, 10 minutes on the importance of a healthy heart, and then a 10-minute assessment, 5-minute conclusion and review. All of that in about 10 seconds. Now we could take this and create a quiz, an assessment, a rubric, and much, much more. And the great thing is this can be for any subject, any unit, any curriculum, and any teacher style around the world. So imagine as teachers, if we embraced this AI technology, we could save serious time, effort, and energy and focus on the things that really matter.